Hello, this is Mrs. Howard, and today we're going to explore waves using a virtual oscilloscope. Let's get started. This is the page we're working on in the notebook, so to activate the virtual oscilloscope, click the simulation link here. Go ahead and click this button to launch the simulator. There are two settings you need to change in order to show the wave, and those are the two dials at the top of your screen. Go ahead and turn those dials so that they point upward to the number 1. Next, you're going to want to adjust the volume so it's exactly halfway. The first direction says to play a high pitch. The high pitch notes are on the right-hand side of the keyboard. When you play your high pitch, you're going to also want to watch this frequency spot because you'll need to type that in your notebook. When you play your note, you'll see the frequency show up on the right-hand side, and at the top you'll see a wave appear. First, record the frequency of the note that you're playing. Then go back to the simulator and play the same note again. While you're playing that note with one finger, you also need to take a screenshot using 2 other fingers. The best way to do it is like this. Just hold down the control key and then hit the symbol above the 6. You can then insert the entire screenshot into your notebook page. But what we're going to do is we're going to crop that screenshot. Watch me use the cropping tool. First, I'm going to click here, which will give me brackets around my image. Then I'm going to drag the brackets around so they just crop out only the picture of the wave for my notebook. Then I hit enter. You can then stretch and adjust it to fit in the white box. The next direction on your page says to play a low pitch. So return to the oscilloscope, play a note on the left-hand side of the keyboard. Note the frequency. Screenshot that note and follow the same procedures for inserting it on your page as you did for the high note. Our next directions say play a noise with a low volume and snip the image. Here we're going to reduce the volume to low and we're going to play a key on the keyboard. Using the same method as before, take a screenshot of this page. Go back to your notebook page, insert the screenshot, and then use the cropping tool to crop it and move it into place. Next, our directions tell us to play a noise with a high volume. So we're going to turn the volume up to high, but we're going to play the same note that we played the last time. And once again, while holding that note, take a screenshot of the page, return to your notebook page, insert that screenshot, and then use the cropping tool to crop it and move it into place. The remaining directions on your page encourage you to observe the patterns in the waves on the oscilloscope. So play notes and observe the patterns. Compare high notes to low notes, as well as loud notes to soft notes. Eventually, you should start to see patterns in the sizes of the waves depending on the high or low notes, as well as the loud and soft notes. Use these observations to help you answer the true and false questions at the bottom of the page. Good luck and have fun!